Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to adjust photo size in MS Word. For this you need to select the picture and then you will see that picture format on the top ribbon. You need to click on that and in the size group enter your desired measurement in the height or width box. For example 2.34 and 3.99 and click outside. Moreover, keep in mind the Word maintains the image aspect ratio. Changing one measurement automatically adjusts the other so the image does not wrap. If I do it like 2.8, you will see that its measurement is also changed. Moreover, you can also do the manual dragging. For this, you need to click on the image to reveal the sizing handles around its border. You need to click and drag any of your corners handle inward or outward to make it according to your desired size, like this one. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can adjust photo size in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.